Hey guys, so I got a really cute PR package of new products from DREW BARRYMORE's brand, Flower Beauty, so I figured we could try them out together. This one caught my eye immediately. It's the Stellar Prismatic Highlighter. Look at that. We're gonna do a little swatch on the arm. Ooh! When you dip your brush in here, there is a lot of glitter. Okay, here we go. First swipe. Wow. One swipe. It is like so golden and pretty. It's kind of ethereal. It's very glittery though. Let's go for cheek number 2. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous gold. I feel like I'm like sweating highlight. Next up are these Perfect Pout matte lipsticks. Shocker, I'm gonna go with the nude pink shade. It's called Dune. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Next we have the Jet Set Spray On Setting Powder. Okay, that's kind of crazy because this really did mattify my skin. I'm impressed. First impression is a 10 out of 10. I loved all 3 of these products.